When I first started having back pain, I started going to physical therapy, was there for a while, went to the chiropractor, was there for a while. And it was more so just like I felt better for a short period of time. And then after I ended it, it was like I was in pain again. And I was just getting so frustrated with that. When Colin, found your program on Instagram, he was like, you really should try this. Like, you need to be able to help yourself, and you're so young, you need to fix this now. And I mean, since joining your program, it's just amazing how much better I feel, and how if I do have back pain, I know how to fix it, which is just crazy to even think about, because people always go to surgery as an option, oh, that's going to fix me, when really, when I was in the hospital, I worked with people who had back surgeries, and I know it didn't fix them because they're always back for more and more back surgeries. And I mean, I saw it firsthand. I was like, that is never going to be an option for me. And now I feel like I have, a way to help my back, and I can carry that through the rest of my life just from your program. And it's amazing. So working with patients who, are having back surgeries, and I'm just like, I could never imagine going through this. I mean, these people are restricted, they can't move, and when they leave from the hospital, we teach them back precautions, oh, you can't do this with your back, you can't extend your back, you can't bend. It's what are you supposed to do with your life? And I want to be able to exercise and, do all the things I enjoy. So this program has helped me do that. So it's crazy how much I've been doing since, I'm running again. I mean, I'm running 30 minutes now. I mean, I ran 3.5 miles, just crazy, no pain, and I couldn't believe it. And doing Orange Theory again, not staying home in pain, laying in my bed anymore, not crying on the way home from work because I have such bad back pain. So it's just changed my life.